How to remove password from Nvidia account. First, open up any browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. Now on search bar type in Nvidia. This is the homepage of Nvidia website, and here on the top right corner you can see this human icon. Click on it. Now make sure you have logged into your account. After that, scroll down a little bit until you see this account management option. Here click on the security settings option. After that, you can see this remove password option here. If you just want to change your password, then click on this change password option to set a new password on your account. Now to remove your password, click on this remove password. Now once you have removed your password, you can only sign in with your third-party account, so make sure if you want to remove your password or not. And after that, click on this remove option here. So this is how you can remove your password from Nvidia account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.